All right, it's March 30th. Back out here on the Wando. Monday. We didn't try to go out here Saturday. There were way too many people. Amateur hour. But anyway, we're out here today. Not as many people. We've got some people out here. High tide's at 12:40. Probably stay out here all afternoon and see if we can get on something. Got Tommy with me today.
You know what's different about today? There's not a lot of boats, but every boat is fishing.
Yeah. Today's a fishing day. Alright, we're underway. Nice little breeze. I think it's 5 to 10, maybe 5 to 14 knots. So we're out here on the flats, getting away from all the crazy news. Hope everyone's all right. No one's getting sick. Here's a pro tip: don't go on the weekend during amateur hour. There is no one out here on Monday. No cops. Here I've seen about 2 or 3 boats, but not like Saturday. Whew. I mean, there was no parking spots on Saturday. It sucked. God, there was a lot of people out there.
It was backed out.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so let's see if we can get on some fish. Alright, we're on the second spot. We saw a redfish in the grass, but couldn't get him to bite. I think our luck will change when the tide starts dropping out. I'm gonna give it a shot here at Wando Flats. Oh yeah, first fish of 2020. Got Tommy hooked up. Nice little trout. Just released a fish with Tommy. Little small trout. See if we can get some more. It's up here on Wando Flats. Finally got rid of the stuff. Oh, he bit it right at the boat. Another nice keeper. Oh, fuck yeah.
That's cool.
Fish on.
Yeah, I saw him come up and I saw him like, I was like looking at my jig, I was about to bring it, but I was like, wait, something just came up out of nowhere from behind it. Just following.
I pulled some line. Did you see that?
Yeah, it's a trout.
It almost jerked the damn rod out of your hand.
I know, I was fixing the drag.
Nice.
Trout.
That's a big one too. Come on in. Oh, whoa, that's a breaker trout, Tommy, for you.
Dude, that's my biggest one, boy.
Woo, nice.
That's a Texas trout.
Got Texas trout.
18.
Nice. Hell yeah.
How much is it?
We had a real good day, ended up with 6 trout, released 1, kept 5. We're gonna get out, try to get out here again this week. All week should be good. We might be heading offshore towards the end of the week. I know the water temperature offshore is 71 degrees, so hopefully we'll get a good dolphin season this year, especially with less pressure from Florida. See what happens.